You ever do that thing where you get more sleep, then it makes you feel even worse? I've got a horrible headache. Check out all these boxes. They've been in my office for like over a week. Let me show you what they're for and let's move them downstairs. You remember that oak that I bought the other day? Well, that oak and those boxes are for a fancy piece of furniture that looks like this. This is like a Welsh dresser, and these doors at the top here will all concertina open, and down here there'll be some hidden appliances. I drew this. These are the appliances. In these boxes is an instant hot water tap, a boiler, a fridge, a sink. So we're going to have to get all of these pieces mounted into that dresser. I'm not going to open the boxes right now because I want to keep these in as good condition as I can until I really need to get them open. But you'll see them later in the week. I also have this right here. This is a really heavy piece of resin worktop, and so it's white on this is the underside. I can't flip it to show you, but it's all speckly and blue on the other side. This material that I picked up from Axminster, I like the sawmill there because they plane everything for you, except I think in this situation, I still need to plane, the undersides. So they've already done one half of the work for me. I've got to run all these through the thickness planer. I'm not going to film too much of this today because it's mostly just me prepping materials, and I have a bit of design work to do on the computer, which is really not cinematic to sit and watch me fiddling around on Rhino. But as the week progresses, maybe we can talk a little bit more about some in-depth techniques for furniture making. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to the comedy club tonight. I'm already out of clean shirts, so it's another trip back to buy more shirts. This thing kind of beats the go-kart I had when I was a kid. Okay, mission accomplished. I got Levi's, I like Levi's. Not that it makes any difference with a t-shirt. But I always buy XXL because I totally intend to shrink it in the wash. For reference, this was my go-kart when I was a kid. This thing was absolutely rad. It was so cool. I wish I still had it. That's my brother. There's me. Hey, remember that chair I found on the street the other day? Gotta glue it back together. It's a little tip that I use. Sometimes you can use the edge of your chisel as a scraper in the right conditions. See, this thing was barely even broken. Just a bit of glue, a couple of clamps, good as new. Sup, brother?
Sup?
All right, Chief?
I've ruined your vlog already.
Thanks, man. Why? Because we're going to the comedy club now. So I'm going to leave the big camera behind. We're going to go get the train. Ready to go?
Yeah, man.
You ready to go?
Yep.
Maya's gone to the swimming pool, so we're going to find her later. Somehow I lost these guys. I'm not sure exactly how it happened. There they are. What happened? Where did you go?
You ran off without us.
You ran away from us to film us coming towards you, like just meeting a few friends in Bath where I definitely live.
I wouldn't lie to you because it's on YouTube.
Yeah, okay. All right, if you say so. Pardon? I've no idea, bud. There's a scanny thing. Look at how lazy this is. This is hot glued on. Hot glued on.
You got to watch them jalapeno.
I got these dirty fries for my dinner.
Oh, one-eye Smith.
I stabbed into one of those jalapeno boys, And the juice squirted directly into my eyeball. It really is. If you want to have real spicy food, try eating it with your eyeball. All right, dinner's done. Drinks were had. You see, I really want to like. Whoa. I really want to like Belushi's whenever I go there, but the problem is, there's always shenanigans. The shop is cool, the food's pretty good, but the service, man, diabolical. Belushi's, come on. I've given you a lot of chances. All right, we're all here. Get in, Chris. There you go. All right, we're at the comedy club. That's what it looks like. Here's the. So we come here once a month. We took the last month off as a little break, but this is our fourth comedy club in a row. Maya and I, we've done quite a lot of them. We like our Monday comedy club.
Are you ready for comedy?
What seems to be the officer problem?
Give that man a kiss.
Comedy.